Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 quadratic equation 4th chapter CBSE syllabus. Already 2 exercises I have completed. Those exercises are based on splitting the middle terms and completing the square method, and one more method is quadratic formula method. All the 3 methods I told you how to do. So few more sums we will do in that exercise 4.3. Okay. Third sum is 2 sums already I have completed. So third sum is find the roots of the following equation. Since it is not specified anything, whichever method of finding square root, whichever method of finding the root of the given equation you can follow. Whichever method is convenient for you, you can use that method to find the roots. Okay. So here x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, where x not equal to 0. If x value is equal to 0, what will happen? You won't be getting a quadratic equation at all. So x value should not be 0. That is the condition given. So in the question it is given x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So this has to be simplified. So when we simplify this, x, we will take it as LCM. If we take x as LCM, we will get x squared here minus 1. Okay, is equal to 3. So here then x squared minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now we will make it as a quadratic equation. We will write it in the general form of that. So that is x squared minus 3x. Since I am bringing this plus 3x this side, it is minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So now we got a quadratic equation. So this is the general form, ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. Now any method can be used. I am going to use quadratic formula method. So for that, first thing is we have to check the discriminant. So the discriminant should be greater than or equal to 0. Then only roots will exist. So first a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. So discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So b squared value is minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 1. So this is 3 squared 9, minus 9 also we will get positive only, then minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So you are getting discriminant value greater than 0. So roots will exist. Now I will use the quadratic formula to find the roots of the given equation. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. So this is equal to minus b. B value is minus 3 here. So already one minus is there in the question. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus b squared minus 4ac is the discriminant. So I got that discriminant value as 30 by 2 into a value is 1. So 2 into 1. So this one 3 plus or minus root 13 by 2. 2 ones are 2. So this is the x value. So 2 x values are 2 roots we have to get. So 2 x values are 3 plus root 13 by 2. That is one value. Then the other one is x is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. So these are the 2 roots for the given quadratic equation. Next sum is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30, where x not equal to minus 4. So if you are getting minus 4, you won't be getting a quadratic equation, and 7. Okay, so now we will take this equation. First thing is, in the denominators you are having x plus 4 and x minus 7. So we will take LCM. So LCM we will get it as the same 2 numbers we will get, that is x plus 4 into x minus 7. So if you take LCM for this, you will get already x plus 4 is there. When you multiply it by x minus 7 only, you will get the numerator. So that numerator is x minus 7. Same thing here also. Already x minus 7 is there. When you multiply it by x plus 4 only, you will get the LCM number. So that x plus 4 has to be multiplied here. So be very careful in writing the negative sign. So if you are having a negative sign, definitely it has to be written within the brackets. If you forgot to write the bracket, what will happen? You will take this negative sign only to this x value. So the whole sum will become wrong. So be careful in taking the negative sign. Whenever you have negative sign, if you have 2 or 3 numbers, you close the bracket. Then only in the next step, you will multiply that negative sign for all the terms that is given inside the bracket. Okay, so now x minus 7 minus x minus 4. I am multiplying this minus sign to both the terms by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, this has to be simplified. And after simplifying, you have to get a quadratic equation. Till that, it has to be simplified. So now, x minus 7 minus 6. So plus x and minus x will get cancelled. You will get minus 11 you will get in the numerator. Minus 11 by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Now this has to be cross multiplied. So minus 11 into 30 is equal to 11 into x plus 4 into x minus 7. So here this 11 and this 11 will get cancelled. So you will get minus 30. You will get minus 30 is equal to x plus 4 into x minus 7. X plus 4 into x minus 7. Then minus 30 is equal to, now this one has to be simplified. So when you simplify this, you will get x squared plus 4x minus 7x minus 28. So x into x is x squared, then x into minus 7 is minus 7x, then 4 into x is 4x, 4 into 28 is minus 7 is 28, minus 28. Now I am bringing the whole thing this side. So x squared plus 4x minus 7x minus 28. For my convenience, I am writing it like this. Just interchanging LHS and RHS together. So now x squared plus 4x minus 7x. So plus 4x and minus 7x, when I simplify, I get minus 3x. So plus 4 and minus 7 will be minus 3x. Then minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. This minus 30, when I am bringing it this side, I get plus 30. So this is x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Since I know this minus 3 and plus 2, this one we have to find the root of this quadratic equation. Since this is a small number, you can use the splitting the middle terms itself. That is 2 ones are 2 and minus 3. So 2 and 3 are the roots of this. So x squared minus x minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 2 ones are 2. Minus into minus plus. Then minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Now x I am taking it out common. So I will get x minus 1. So if I get x minus 1, outside I have to take minus 2. So my two x values are x minus 1 and x minus 2. So x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. So these are the two roots for the given quadratic equations. Next sum is the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age in years 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So here the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age before 3 years and 3 years ago, that is before 3 years, and 5 years from now, that is from now is after 5 years. Okay, is 1 by 3. Find his present age. This is the question given. You don't know, you are asked to find the Rahman's present age. Okay, so you take, let Rahman's age be, let Rahman's age be x years. You don't know the age, that only you are asked to find out. So you take his age as x years. Okay, so 3 years ago. So his age 3 years ago is x minus 3 years. Okay, for example, if the age is 15 years, now it is 15 years, 3 years back means 15 minus 2, that age will be 12 years. So the same thing. Here we don't know the age. We have taken it as x. So you take it as x minus 3. Then his age 5 years from now. 5 years from now. That is after 5 years. I will be x plus 5 years. After 5 years I will be x plus 5 years. Okay. Now this is the thing that is given in the question. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age. So this is 3 years before and this is 5 years after. The reciprocal, the sum of the reciprocals of this age. So the reciprocal means if 5 is the reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. So the same thing you have to write. Sum of the reciprocals of age. So according to the question, the sum of the reciprocals of their ages. So whatever age is there, that reciprocal is, you have to write it as 1 by. So 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So we have converted the given statement to an equation form. So first thing is, if you know to convert this to an equation form, then after that simplification and all easy. But this one you have to be very careful. If you miss something, you won't be getting the proper equation, you won't be getting. So one more time I will say, here in the question, sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years before and 5 years from now is given as 1 by 3. So let the age be x. So 3 years before is x minus 3. 5 years from now is x plus 5. There is sum of the reciprocal of the ages. So sum is plus. Reciprocal of the ages is 1 by x minus 3 and 1 by x plus 5 is given as 1 by 3. So this one has to be simplified now. So as usual, we will take the LCM for this, x minus 3, x plus 5. If we take the reciprocal, we will get, if we take the LCM, we will get x plus 5 plus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, so here this one will be 2x. Here x plus x is 2x plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2 by x minus 3 into x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now we will cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, 3 2s are 6x plus 6 is equal to 3 into 2x is 3 2s are 6x. 3 into 2 is 6. So 6x plus 6 is equal to x minus 3 into x plus 5. This one has to be simplified now. So 6x plus 6 is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 5x minus 15. Okay. So x squared plus minus 3x plus 5x is plus 2x minus 15. So this is 6x plus x. Now I am interchanging this. X squared plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 6x plus 6. So x squared plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So here x squared minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So this one when I simplify minus 4. This one when I simplify minus 21 I will get. So for this I have to find the root. So since this number is also simple, if we take 7 3s are 21, if you take the factors of this 7 and 3, when you simplify that 7 and 3 you will get 4. Okay, so x squared and 3x and 7x minus 21 is equal to 0. So 3 7s are 21. Here if you take bigger number sign negative only, you will get negative number here. So the next one is plus. So minus 7 plus 3. So unlike signs here minus 21, unlike signs when you subtract you will get minus 4. Okay, then x into x plus 3 and here x plus 3 means minus 7 is equal to 0. So one value is x minus 7. The other one is x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x value is 7 and minus 3. So these are the, find his present age. So we are asked to find his present age. So the present age won't be negative value. So the present age of Rahman is 7 years. So the present age is 7 years. This is the answer. So the present age of Rahman is 7 years. Okay. So with this I am completing today's class. The remaining class I will do it in the next class. So keep practicing. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.